A couple of new pieces I just finished. This one is really dramatic. I love the colors and the depth. These are resin pieces. All resin, no acrylic. Well, I used some acrylic to color the resin. That lacing is beautiful. And then this is a tabletop that I just did today. It is already sold. It's a commission piece. Look at the sparkles. And look at that effect that I got from some Pebeo paints that I use. Love this section right here. Let me know what you think. I tried to video the whole process, but was out of storage on my phone, so I'm going to clear that up and start posting a little bit here and there again. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you. Tamatha from Fairhope, Alabama.